Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're learning how to describe where you live, your city, town, or neighborhood. This is one of the most common conversation topics when you meet someone new. Let's start with some positive adjectives. Vibrant means lively and full of energy. A city with lots of culture, events, and activity. Cosmopolitan means diverse and international. A city with people and influences from all over the world. You might say, London is incredibly cosmopolitan. There are hundreds of languages spoken there. Well-connected means good transport links, easy to get to other places. You might say, Birmingham is really well-connected. It's easy to reach London, Manchester, or the coast. Green spaces refers to parks, gardens, and natural areas within or near a city. Not every description is positive, of course. You might say, the traffic is terrible. It can take an hour to cross the city. Or, the cost of living has gone through the roof, rents have doubled in the last 5 years. Or, the high street has really declined, half the shops are empty. Regeneration is a word you'll hear a lot about cities. It means a deprived or rundown area has been improved with new investment, buildings, and amenities. You might say, the docks area has been completely regenerated. It's transformed into a really desirable place to live. Gentrification is related but more controversial. It describes how investment in a poorer area leads to rising rents and property prices, often displacing the original community. An up-and-coming area is one that's improving and becoming more popular and valuable. You might say, we bought there 5 years ago, it was really up-and-coming then, and now it's fantastic. Today we covered describing cities positively and negatively, talking about changes and comparing places. Your city is a rich source of conversation. See you next time.